The muscular system is a complex network of tissues responsible for movement, posture, and the stability of the human body. It consists of muscles, tendons, and ligaments that work together to allow for voluntary and involuntary actions. Muscles are the most active tissues in the body, generating force and producing movement through contraction. The muscular system is not only crucial for mobility, but also plays a vital role in maintaining body temperature and protecting internal organs. There are three main types of muscle cells in the human body: skeletal muscle, smooth muscle, and cardiac muscle, each with distinct characteristics and functions. Skeletal muscle cells, also known as striated muscle cells, are the most abundant type of muscle in the body. These muscles are attached to bones by tendons and are responsible for voluntary movements, such as walking, running, and lifting. Skeletal muscle cells are under conscious control, and their contractions are usually quick and powerful. These cells are long, cylindrical, and multinucleated, meaning they have multiple nuclei per cell. The arrangement of actin and myosin, filaments in skeletal muscles, allows for coordinated contraction, enabling movement of the body. This type of muscle is most commonly targeted in exercise routines. Smooth muscle cells are found in the walls of internal organs like the stomach, intestines, blood vessels, and the bladder. Unlike skeletal muscles, smooth muscles are involuntary, meaning they are not under conscious control. These cells are spindle-shaped and have a single nucleus. Smooth muscles help with the movement of substances through the body, such as food through the digestive tract or blood through the circulatory system. Smooth muscle contractions are slower and more sustained than those of skeletal muscles. While they aren't typically exercised in the same way as skeletal muscles, they can be influenced by factors like stretching and proper hydration. Cardiac muscle cells are found in the heart and are responsible for pumping blood throughout the body. Like skeletal muscle, cardiac muscle is striated, but it shares characteristics with smooth muscle in that its contractions are involuntary. Cardiac muscle cells are branched and interconnected, allowing for synchronized contractions that enable the heart to pump efficiently. These cells are highly resistant to fatigue, ensuring the heart continues to beat throughout a person's life. Regular physical exercise can help improve the efficiency and strength of cardiac muscle, contributing to overall heart health. The nervous system is a highly complex and intricate network of cells, tissues, and organs that coordinates the body's responses to internal and external stimuli. It is divided into two primary components: the central nervous system, CNS, which consists of the brain and spinal cord, and the peripheral nervous system, PNS, which is made up of nerves that extend throughout the body. The CNS processes information and dictates the body's responses, while the PNS transmits signals between the body and the CNS. This system allows organisms to interact with and adapt to their environment by receiving sensory input, processing that information, and then executing motor functions or behavioral responses. The functioning of the nervous system depends heavily on specialized cells known as neurons. Neurons are the primary building blocks of the nervous system, and they transmit electrical signals, called action potentials, throughout the body. Neurons communicate with one another across synapses, where neurotransmitters are released to carry messages from one neuron to the next. This electrical and chemical signaling is vital for processes such as movement, cognition, sensation, and emotion. Additionally, glial cells support neurons by providing structural support, nutrients, and insulation, ensuring the proper functioning of the nervous system. The nervous system plays a crucial role in maintaining homeostasis, the body's ability to maintain stable internal conditions. It controls involuntary processes such as heart rate, respiration, and digestion through the autonomic nervous system, ANS, which is further divided into the sympathetic and parasympathetic systems. The sympathetic system prepares the body for fight or flight responses in stressful situations, while the parasympathetic system promotes relaxation and recovery. This dynamic balance between the two systems ensures the body can efficiently respond to varying circumstances while preserving health and functionality. In addition to its vital functions in everyday life, the nervous system also underpins higher cognitive functions such as memory, learning, and decision-making. The brain, particularly regions like the hippocampus and prefrontal cortex, is integral to these processes. Understanding the nervous system is crucial for advancing medical science, as dysfunctions or diseases affecting the nervous system, such as Alzheimer's disease, Parkinson's disease, and multiple sclerosis, can severely impact an individual's quality of life. Ongoing research into the nervous system structure and function continues to uncover new insights, leading to better treatments and therapies for neurological disorders. Now, our first game actually explains both nervous and muscular. This game is Kaiju Battle Simulator, a game where you can fight kaijus with giant mechs. Now, how does this explain the muscular system and the nervous system? Simple. As you can see, a pilot, which is the player, moves around, and the mech follows their movements. This mimics the brain and the muscles. When the brain sends a signal to muscles to throw a punch, the muscles will move accordingly to the signal, just like in the video game. But what happens to someone who doesn't take care of their mental health? Imagine an individual who's consistently experiencing an overwhelming degree of feelings, unbearable stress, and extreme anxiety. It's quite likely that they might find it confronting to get a proper and sufficient amount of sleep, be successful in their tasks, or even make crucial decisions in a timely manner. Consequently, this could potentially have adverse effects, resulting in both physical and psychological symptoms. As time progresses forward, these detrimental behaviors can potentially create a severe impact on their relationships, work environment, and overall sense of well-being. It's truly vital for us all to always remember that mental health is just as crucial as the physical health of our bodies. If you or someone you genuinely care about is grappling with difficulties or challenges, please don't hesitate to seek help. There are a multitude of resources available to individuals, such as therapy sessions, support groups, but also reaching out to talk to a dependable friend or family member who will undoubtedly be more than willing to provide a helping hand. So, let's all make a diligent and dedicated effort to take care of our mental health alongside the well-being of others. It's crucial that we all recognize the importance of not only taking care of our own well-being, but also making a positive impact on the lives of those around us. This starts by genuinely considering the needs of others, helping them, and supporting their personal growth and development. With that in mind, don't forget to like this video when you find it helpful. Share it with others. And it's essential that we all take that extra step to make positive changes for ourselves and others with the support of our loved ones.